Hi guys, this is Rob with the Rob Thomas Review. Today I want to ask you a question. Do you think you could save $32 to $35 a year with this one simple life hack? Stick around for a second and you'll find out. Now today I want to be talking about McCormick salt and pepper shakers. You know, a lot of people use these. These are great. They last you for 2 months maybe. They cost about $3 to $4 depending on where you live. I'm in Florida, so they cost about $4. And then when most people run out of these, they just throw them away and buy a new one. That's $4. So most people are spending probably $40, $50 a year just on these. I know that doesn't seem like a lot to you, but in this video, I'm going to be talking about a way that you can refill these and save a good substantial amount of money. And then I'm going to be doing a few more videos in this series to see how much money I can save next year total. I'm going to see if I can save like $1,000 doing a bunch of different hacks. So I'm going to show you an easy way to refill these when these are empty. Okay, so you got down to the bottom of your sea salt. You see it's completely empty here. Now you can't just twist these off. So I know a lot of you feel like, oh, I gotta throw this away, waste money, because these grinders are actually really good. They grind really well. And you could easily just go to Walmart and buy more sea salt, any type of sea salt you want. You don't have to use McCormick's, also with the pepper grinders, and just refill this and save a ton of money here. So I'm gonna show you a quick way to do it. It's not super easy, you don't just pull it off, but you gotta use a little bit of muscle, just kind of grab it and pull it off just like that. Super easy. I don't think anybody's gonna have too much of a problem doing that. As you can see, it opens right up. You take your salt. Now this isn't what you want to be using, this is regular table salt, but you just fill it up. You could use a little funnel if that's easier for you. And when you're done, you just push the top right back on, and there you go. You could probably save easily $30 $35 a year on this one little hack, okay? And I'm going to be doing a complete video series with all my little tricks that I've kind of come up with over the years to save money. And I'm going to see if next year I can try to save $1,200, maybe $1,500, just some little hacks like this. So this is the first one, $30 a year right there. We'll start with there, and we'll see how close we can get to saving $1,500 a year. My name is Rob with Rob Thomas Reviews. If you found any value out of this video, please subscribe, guys. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. Like, tell me what kind of salts you prefer, what sea salts you think are the best, what pepper you use, what other kind of hacks that maybe you have come up with to save a little bit of money. If you want to see me make a video about those, I definitely will. Thanks again, guys. Rob Thomas Reviews. I'll see you in the next one.